Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 3.15. Now, let's examine how this stock has performed during this specific period. Investors who followed our analysis have experienced an impressive gain of 14.73% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy candidate 16 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.92% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 44.63% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 30.54% to 48.33%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests an 86.71% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 25.71% to 90.87%. This translates to a price range of $70.31 to $106.75 after 12 months. Our latest update on TQQQ reveals that Tuesday was a red day for the ETF. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, the price of the TQQQ ETF dropped by 2%, going from $57.07 to $55.93. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 2.37%, with the lowest point being at $55.60 and the highest at $56.92. It's worth noting that the price has increased in 7 out of the past 10 days, resulting in a total gain of 11.17% over the last 2 weeks. The decrease in volume on Tuesday is actually a positive sign, as the trading volume should align with the movement of the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 638,000 shares on that day, and a total of 56 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.15 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $57.90, while the lowest price was $20.13. Currently, the price is 3.4% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a decrease of $1.97, and it is also 70.7% below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 8, 2021. On that date, the price reached $190.88. In this video, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there will be support from the lines at $55.92 and $50.63. However, a breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is observed from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). On the other hand, some negative signals have also been issued, which might have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. Specifically, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a -2% fall so far. It is expected to further decline until a new bottom pivot has been found. It is worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another signal to take note of is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provides a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average, on the other hand, gave a sell signal 11 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is still indicating a buy signal that was identified 17 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 57 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average signaled a sell 11 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average presented a buy signal 55 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 45 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. When it comes to support levels, TQQQ has some key areas to watch out for. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $44.40 and $44.24. Testing a support level can be risky, as breaking it may lead to further downside. In this case, if the support at $44.40 is broken, the next support levels to keep an eye on are $44.24 and $42.94. It's important to note that TQQQ is considered a high-risk ETF due to its volatility. This means it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Currently, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for TQQQ. Looking at the recent data, TQQQ had a $1.32 difference between its highest and lowest price in the last trading day, which accounts for a 2.37% fluctuation. On average, over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily volatility of 2.94%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market is trending upwards, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $56.32. If you're considering buying shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed. However, if you already own the stock, this level could be a good opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market is heading downwards, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $44.40. If this support level holds, it could serve as a potential entry point, with the expectation of a rebound in the stock price. We recommend setting the stop loss at $53.56, which represents a decrease of 4.24%. This particular ETF exhibits high daily movements, which also implies a higher level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 1 day ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that the TQQQ ETF presents a promising opportunity for investors in the short term. Several short-term signals, along with a positive overall trend, indicate that the current level may be an advantageous buying point. Furthermore, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued, after analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 31st, we anticipate TQQQ to open up $0.218 and commence trading at $56.15. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We want to hear from you, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.